Hey everybody, this is a nice quick video for a shout out for James Morris over at Morris Customs Model Shop. A little while ago he did a 700 subscriber giveaway, and I entered it in and ended up winning one of the prizes. First time I've ever won anything on YouTube. Super happy to win it, and super happy that he hit 700 subscribers. Congratulations. You're one hell of a model builder, one hell of a fan, I guess could say, and one hell of a guy. Everything he says is very supportive. He's very great for the community out there in the model world. I'm sure he is outside of the model world as well. But I just kind of wanted to do this little video to say how much I really appreciate it. I've had this kit for probably a week now, maybe a little bit longer. A little slow getting the video out, but it is one hell of a kit. It is very heavy. So I did get the kit. He sent the card, and then he sent this book. He's known for that book going around, which has got some very great tips on it. So this is that kit. Very happy he sent it. This is a very cool kit. I haven't seen one of these in a while, but when I picked it up I was like, wow, that's really heavy. And then if you actually look inside, it's one of them ones that's filled to the brim. It's even got mesh in there for the grills and stuff. So I look very forward to building this one. This one is actually one that's going to be in the near future, sometime soon, and that way you all can enjoy the build. So if you're not subscribed to him, which I'm sure anybody who's subscribed to me is subscribed to him, please go over to his channel and check him out. Give him a thumbs up and give him your subscription, or subscribe to him. You won't be disappointed. So thanks a lot, James. Looking to the future of this one being built. I really appreciate you being a loyal fan and also having a great channel. So keep up the good work, and I'll see you around.